everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm coming today to share some information about our stamps. I'm going to show you how we mount the stickers. I'm going to talk about the two different kinds, and I'm going to talk about the best way to clean them. Alright, if you're new to my channel, do please click subscribe so that you get the notification, and click the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, because I upload lots and lots of content and lots of lovely projects. So first of all, Stampin' Up do two kinds of stamps. We do the red rubber, which are these, which are the red rubber with the grey backing. Okay, so those are the traditional ones, and then we do the high quality photopolymer, which are the clear ones that you can see through. So the main difference obviously is that you can see through these and you can't see through the other ones. These are really awesome because as you're stamping you can see where you're positioning. Okay, now when you are stamping with these, there's no extra cushion on these. If you look at the red rubber, you've got a cushion of grey there. So with the photopolymer, they do recommend that you stamp on something cushioned. We do have a stamping mat available in the catalogue, but also you could stamp just on a padded note, on a notepad, just something with a little bit of give rather than a hard flat surface. Okay, so that is the photopolymer. Now these are awesome quality. Some of the darker colours will stain the photopolymer. Typically the ones that are reds will stain them. That is actually a sign of a good quality stamp because it's absorbed that colour and it's stained. Cheaper stamps, it doesn't stain. And so the easiest way to clean these ones is to just use your Stamp and Scrub. So this is the Stamp and Scrub. This is the easiest way to clean both of them. The Stamp and Scrub is a great tool, and it combines with the Stamp and Mist. We have had problems with customs getting this in the UK, but it will be available very soon. And you can get the smaller bottle and then the refill. It lasts a very long time. Until you do, we can get hold of these whilst we're having problems. I also just use plain water sometimes with a tiny little bit of liquid soap in. Doesn't do them any harm. Just make sure it doesn't have antibacterial in, which can, in my opinion, dry them out. And so what you do is you get your spray, you stamp on your stamp, you rub it on one side and then dry it off on the other. And the Stamp and Scrub's quite clever because just in the and I didn't know this until one of my friends told me. I missed this for about 2 years, but just in the tiny corners there, that one you won't see it, but it's got water droplets on it, so you know that that's the wet side, and then you know that that's the dry side, so you don't get confused. I did put a sticker on mine, and I was doing it that way, but there is a little water droplet in the corner moulded into the plastic there, and then these come out and you just wash them. It's like velvety, and you just wash them, leave them to drip dry, put them back in. I've had this since I started being a demonstrator. Okay, I've never replaced it, never needed to, it's fine. Alright, as long as you look after them. And the other thing that's great for the photopolymer, for any stamps in fact, is the Simply Chamois. Can I find mine? Can I heck? It's in my craft room somewhere and I don't know where it is. The extra benefit of the chamois as well is if you're using a precision stamping tool such as the Stamparatus, and you want to clean off your stamp and start inking in a new colour without taking it off and having to use the Stamp and Scrub or go and clean your stamp. So that is the benefit of the Simply Chamois. I can't find mine. It's in my craft room somewhere. Alright. Now, I did always used to prefer the red rubber, the traditional ones, but as I've gotten used to the new photopolymer, because these are quite new to Stampin' Up, I love them. Both of them give a nice, crisp, clean image, and they're great fun to use. The photopolymer ones are brilliant because, as you say, you don't need stickers on them, you can see. So if you're layering over, if you're stamping something and then when you want to layer over another stamp with colour, for example, or you're doing a 2-step or 3-step stamping, that makes your life a lot easier. Now with the red rubber ones, you do need to add the stickers. I don't always do this. There is instructions inside every case okay, to tell you how to do it. I'm going to do a quick demonstration today. You may well have seen this before. I just wanted to make sure all my customers were informed. Alright, so I'll just do a couple. I'll do the large, no, I won't do that one. I'll do that one, and then we'll do a sentiment one. Okay. No, we will do that one. Alright, so I'm just going to do 3 for demonstration. So you'll have a smooth side like that where you can see the image more, and then you've got a shiny side. So each one has got a split and you can lift the backing off. Alright, so you lift the backing off. Now, once these are on, they're on. Right, they're very difficult to get off, so take your time. That's the most important thing. Take your time at doing this. All right, it doesn't matter if it's not perfectly straight, but do take your time, because if you do it completely the wrong way around, you won't get it back off. It'll ruin your stamp trying to pull it off, because they're designed to stay on and not come off. So you carefully look at your pattern there, so I can see that it goes that way, okay, because I've got the leaves there. Alright, so I'm going to find a reference point, and I'm going to use this most pointy flower here. Alright, and I'm going to just gently line up that pointy bit, very, very carefully, and then just hold it with my finger, and then just carefully lay down the rest, making sure it's lined up in that shape, and that's how you do it. Excuse moi. So we'll do another one. So you peel the backing off, okay, and you put obviously the back of the stamp onto there. So these have got backings on as well. You peel that off, okay. You need to peel that off, because if you try and stick that onto there, it was obviously it's not going to stick. So you peel that off to reveal that shiny grey, and then again look for a reference point, and I'm going to go with the leaves here. So I kind of put it down like that at a tip, and then move it so like that slowly. Alright, so that I can line those 2 points up, and then I'll hold it gently with my finger, assess that the rest is lined up right, and then go for it, and then you peel it off. Alright, so that is how you do those. I've also explained the difference in the stamp sets and the best ways to take care of them. So go and enjoy your Stampin' Up! Stamps. If you look after these, if you look after the boxes, and take care of them and clean them regularly, they will last you forever and ever and ever. Don't forget, if any of your boxes do break, we do sell those separately as well. Okay, thanks for joining me. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.